Hi everybody, welcome back to In the Closet of. I'm Donā and I'm here to bring you a new video.
But recently I just don't care. I'm a new bitch.
I just want to thank everyone who has continued to follow us and those who are checking out the Depop and the Poshmark, as well as those who are buying the clothes. For a recent update, as some may know, and for those who just started watching for this episode, what we like to do it In the Closet of is we like to also give back. So 50% of the sales that we make, we like to donate it to a cause, a charity, or campaign. And then for this year, we decided to go with the Scholastics campaign to make sure that every student in a second grade class has their own book, as well as upgrade their library. And quick update, we are at over 100. We are at $120 as of now that I'm filming this video. I'm just really excited and I can't wait to see what the new year brings, which brings me into today's video, which is about New Year's. So I'm bypassing all the December holidays. I'm sorry. I really, not to say that I could care less, but me personally, I always feel like the run up to holidays are always the best part, and then when the day actually comes, it's just like flat. But I really wanted to do this New Year's video because I need to manifest a New Year's party for myself. I just really want to go to one. I want to look cute. I want to dress up. I want to be sparkly. And I just feel like I've never had that. And so I actually manifested a Halloween party. And it came true and it was amazing. So now we're turning my sights onto New Year's. So I hope you guys like the looks that I'm bringing to you, and hopefully I convince myself to still sell them because some of the pieces were really hard to let go. So without further ado, let's get into it. You guys have to understand, the coat is a part of the look. I'm not selling the coat, but I'm selling this blue long sleeve J. Crew velvet dress. It doesn't look long sleeve on me because my arms are abnormally too long, but it's super cute. It's batu neckline. It has an automatic shape out. That's why it looks really big here, because I just don't have the hips to fill it out. I feel like when I saw it, it was like super cute on someone and she had the hips for it, and it was very figure hugging, and the curves, the body was super T. It just looked amazing. And I've literally been keeping it because I was like, oh, I'm gonna grow to it. Unless I'm having kids within the next few weeks, I'm not growing into this. So I'm selling it. I love the color, and I paired it with this blue, I don't even know if it's shearling feathers fur, I don't know. But it's super cute, but it's not for sale, so I'm just encouraging you to get your own. Something else that I'm selling, and I'm not gonna lie, it might take a long time to be put on the selling. It's the Sergio Rossi sparkly shoes. We're gonna have to have a shoe cam moment because these are just like so cute up close. They're so pretty. Like, I'm obsessed with them, but I just know that I don't and I'm not gonna get a lot of wear out of it. I'll probably, I'm manifesting New Year's. Maybe after New Year's you guys can have it, but these shoes are everything. These shoes need to be yours. We have a little Jenna Lyons moment. I mean, it's all about the pants. So I'm selling these Lambon side embellished pants. They have, let's see if you can see it. They're beaded with little stars. I mean, they're so pretty. And I like that it's only on one side. Some people don't like that, but I love it. It's a high waist straight leg trouser. I think this is so cute. First of all, when I got these, I was like, oh my god, they're a little bit too high-waisted. But I'm obsessed, even though I'm selling them, I'm obsessed with them if they didn't have this. Like, I want to wear these pants to work. I think I'd also tailor them for myself to just alleviate some quad area, because these are like the only pants that I feel like that look like this that fit me perfectly. All the other pants that I have they just look terrible on me, and I don't know. But anyway, I'm selling these pants. They're super cute. Look at the little booty sticking out. Okay, they actually do have pockets, but they are closed. I just didn't open them because I wasn't too sure about if I wanted to keep them when I got them, and they've literally just been sitting in the closet. And so kind of glad I didn't. So now when I'm selling them, it can literally be like a fresh pair for someone else. This outfit, you may have to be in the South. There's a lot of skin. It's a lot of skin. It's a lot of skin showing. But I mean, honestly, I kind of was inspired by like the 90s, Janet Jackson, you know, do the straight leg, you know, not so skinny jeans with a nice boot and a fun top. This top, I keep holding on to it because I'm just like, I want to wear it somewhere. I want to wear it like this, but I think I'm kind of over it. So I'll be selling this top. I got this top from, was it Nasty Gal? This top is so old. This top is so old. And I can tell you, I remember buying it. And that's why I'm saying I'm pretty sure it was Nasty Gal, because I brought this when I got my wisdom teeth out. And I had a whole bunch of stuff from Nasty Gal because I was still on the medication. And I didn't even know I brought it until my $200 shipment came in. It was very embarrassing because everything that I brought, it was just like random things. I brought a pair of sunglasses, I brought a pair of socks, I brought this top, and I brought like other things, and most of them didn't even fit me, random sizes. But yeah, I don't think me and this top have, this is literally the first time I'm wearing this top. It's been in the package, the wrapped up in bubble wrap for years. I'm also selling these Victoria Beckham straight leg mid-rise jeans. They're button-up fly, which I think is really cute. Someone, you know, when I got these, it literally said high-waisted, but I'm like, I feel like this is just like a mid-rise. Like, it's not over my belly button, and it's not that far. Like, my waist is here, and I feel like this is really nice and comfortable on the hips. Is what I do like, and I also love the color. It literally just goes straight down. For my straight leg, I think because I'm so skinny, like, I feel like it looks cute, but I want to look like I have a butt, and I want to look like I have some type of figure. So I like my straight leg jeans to be a little bit more slender. So that's why we're giving her away. But other than that, I really do like these jeans. I think they're very comfortable. They're one of the most comfortable jeans that I've actually have brought. This is so cute. This is literally for my Bratz girls. Cute little pumps, mini skirts. We like our skirts the size of our belts. This dress is an H&M rhinestone embellished mock neck 3/4 sleeve dress, mini dress. Will not be turning around. This dress, I wore this dress for my 18th birthday. I love this dress. Absolutely adore this dress. This dress does not fit. Nothing is closed in the back. I love it. I'm telling you, if I could still wear this, if this wasn't going to suffocate me, I'd probably keep this. And like, I love the length. We love a little shift dress, mini legs out for the girls. We love this dress. Pair this with a pair of tights. I probably do like fishnets or like designed tights. Anything that was just like cute, like a little black net design, I'd probably do. I'm also selling these ASOS pumps. They're just regular black ASOS pumps. They're just, you see this, like, I'll do a shoe cam so you guys can see, but they're just a little bit too big for me, or my foot is just too like skinny, and I've tripped one too many times. My foot literally fell out of it. And as much as I do love them, and I think this is a cute outfit, also this was during my like Bratz era, and I had the Steve Madden pumps. Like it was crazy. But we think it's time to say goodbye. I'm selling this La Academie dress. Not too much for my French. I do know it. I'm just very insecure. Anyway, I'm selling this silk cowl neck ivory dress, and it has feathers at the bottom. This is a really cute dress. So at first, I got on Revolve, and I wanted it in the lavender color. But there was just something about this color that I was just like, oh, so classy, so timeless. So I want to. And then, I don't know, like, I like it. I think it looks great on me. I think, like I said, I am manifesting a New Year's Eve party to go to. Would I wear this? I think absolutely so. And you know what would be the perfect accessory? A nice glass of champagne. So we should just like edit that in or something. I don't know. But I love the silhouette of this dress. I think it looks great on, I saw it on the model, and the model had like, it was like a different size. Looked great. I think it's just, I love a good silk dress. All my friends know, my parents know. One thing she's gonna spend her money on is a silk dress. And I think right now I'm just trying to go through a transition of like what I want to bring in to the new year, in regard to like, I'm selling clothes, but then I'm also like, what is my style? What is this? Do I think this is my style? Absolutely yes. And I love, if you were there for the last episode when I had that star top, you can adjust the strap by using button. It literally has a button and you can just unbutton it instead of that crappy little ugly adjustable thing that I hate. You know, it's giving very Jasmine Toques. Like that's exactly what it's giving. And I feel like everyone needs to embrace their inner angel. I love this. No, this is a great dress. I need to stop looking at it because once again, I'm convincing myself to keep it. And that's not what we're here for. We're here to convince you to wear it. Be cute, be an angel, give us the luxury that we want. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Links to my Depop, Poshmark, and my Instagram will be linked below, as usual. Once again, the Scholastic campaign is also there if you want to read more. This is my last video of 2023. Thank you guys so much for following me on this journey. I cannot wait to see you guys in 2024. Bye.